Hi, welcome back. How to insert, edit, or delete comments in Excel? Let's try to understand today. If you would like to learn more things like this, subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. Okay. So let's play with the data. Today agenda is how to insert a comment, how to edit a comment, and how to delete a comment. Without further wasting a time, let's get on to the Excel. Okay. This is my channel. You can subscribe it if you really want to learn further Excel. Okay. So if you come here, okay. So for example, here, so this is the report it is got generated. Let's try to increase little font. Okay. So here is the, so assume that this name, someone has verified the school report. Someone would like to ask their subordinate to correct it. Okay. So probably, so let me do something here for comment. Let's select this cell and right click. Okay. Here, insert comment. Okay. So you can write a comment like this. Okay. Please change the name Sudhakar as, okay, Tom Sudhakar. Okay, this is the request from your parents. You have added a comment here. Okay, and someone has verified the report of Sony. Okay, they said that first they created a report like this. Later they come to know that she is not present. So they asked their admin school staff. So by putting some comment, okay. So maybe let's go to insert. Okay, here Sony actually absent, absent is there according to school report. Please change both sessions. That means first half and second half as no. So this is a comment you got it. Okay. So when I put the cursor, you can able to see the comment here. When I put the cursor here, comment. Okay. Later, they came to know that, okay, it is not Tom's Sudhakar and it's supposed to be further changed. Let's go on. So if I would like to edit this comment, click on this, right click and edit this comment. Now I can able to do it. Sudhakar, Tom Sudhakar from K. This is his full name. So it is got how it is got edited. So here, okay. So it's got changed to no. Okay. So someone is updating the comment below. Okay. Actually, Office 365, both people can edit this one in different manner. So now if I try and come to edit it, it won't come. So let's right click and click on edit comment. Okay. So then, so probably like it's updated as no in the current report. So you can close. So like it has, so in Office 365, so this is general Excel. So 365, you have an option like, you can make a report can be accessed by multiple people through authorization. Multiple people can able to edit and do some task like this. Okay. So now you got it, how to create and how to edit it. Let's try to delete it. Again, right click it. Okay. Here, what you can able to do it, delete the comment. Okay, now comment got deleted, right? For Sudhakar, nothing is there. Here also, let me show you. Okay, edit and delete. So these are the options available to control this. Let me show you again for Srinath. Let me put it. Insert. Good student. Something I'm writing. You can write any comment for that matter. So if you click here, there is something called hide and show comment. If you want, you can able to hide it. So if I put it show, that's why it is not going. It is still showing, right? If I would like to hide it, let's go and hide the comment. If hide means it won't come. When I put the cursor, then only it is coming. If I move from the cursor also, if I would like to highlight this one, okay. So show on hide comment. So if I move the cursor from any cell, it will be highlighted like this. These are the different options available. Okay. Let's catch up for further session. If you really like this video, please like it and please subscribe my channel to get more. How to insert, how to edit, how to delete. And I have shown you one more thing, how to hide and show the comment. Thank you so much. Thanks for joining the session. Have a great day.